Recording. Alright. So, yesterday, got a call from my boss saying how there have been a few customer complaints regarding the Chica animatronic lately. One of the biggest concerns was the rancid smell that was being emitted from it, with some customers going so far as to describing the smell as decomposed or like something died inside it. He stated that the general staff have not been able to locate the source of the issue themselves. So he called me in to not only diagnose the issue, but to fix the problem entirely and revert Chica back into fully working order. He also said that if this problem doesn't get resolved in the upcoming months, the restaurant will have to shut down due to health and safety code violations. So I guess I'm just gonna have to try my best and keep my job. Alright. So he said that he'd leave a clipboard with the instructions of how to take the joints apart for them to be cleaned individually. So I guess let's read it and see what I have to do first. Alright, let's see. Number 1. Okay. Press both shoulders to unlock the shoulder joints. This should allow for both the left and right arms to be removed from the torso. Place both arms in the workbench you left so not to leave the workplace cluttered. Alright. That should be simple enough. Alright. That's the left arm done anyway. Alright. Let's do the right arm. Alright. Well, that was easy. Well, let's move on to number 2. Now press the button on the back of Chica's head. This should loosen spring locks within the head, making it possible for it to be lifted off. I strongly recommend you do this with caution, however. Alright, I guess this shouldn't be too difficult.
Hi, kids! My name's Chica the Chicken. Are you ready to party?
I thought this damn thing wasn't supposed to be on! Where the fuck is the switch on this thing?